the amazing sky and its magical patterns. Hey young explorers, have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why the sun, moon, and stars move the way they do? Today, we're going on an exciting adventure to explore the magic of the sky.
The sun, our bright morning friend. Every morning when you wake up, the sun wakes up too and climbs into the sky. Sometimes clouds come along and hide the sun. But even if there are clouds, the sun is still shining behind them, ready to brighten your day. And when the sun sets, it's time for the night to begin. Did you know the sun always follows a special pattern? It rises in the east and moves across the sky to the west every single day. Isn't that cool?
When the stars come out to play. At night, when the sun goes to sleep, the stars come out to play. They follow the same path as the sun, moving from the east to the west. Even when we can't see them because of clouds, the stars are still there, twinkling away.
The mysterious moon. And what about the moon? The moon doesn't always appear at night. Sometimes, you'll see the moon shining bright in the sky, but other nights, it's nowhere to be found. And guess what? Sometimes the moon likes to hang around in the morning too, even after the sun has risen.
Why does the moon change shape? Have you noticed that the moon looks different on different nights? Sometimes it's big and round, and other times it's small, like a little sliver. This is another special pattern. Can you spot it?
A sky full of patterns. So our sky is full of amazing patterns. The sun, moon, and stars all move from east to west every day and every night. Next time you look up, see if you can spot these magical patterns in the sky.